Yo guys, welcome to a new video. Happy New Year, and today I will show you how I meditate. It is the most simple and basic, but I started meditating like this about 10 years ago. Meditation has so many benefits that is a waste of time saying all, but most importantly, it clears your mind, and with help of the right mindset and lifestyle, you can turn your life around. As you can see, I'm in a sitting position with one leg above the other because I can't do lotus pose, so I put one leg on the other for opening my hips while I meditate. But of course, you can be in any sitting position. You can sit on a chair, you can lay down, or you can even stand, but I don't recommend that for beginners. Find the most relaxing position and get comfortable. Then put your hands on your knees, and I usually keep my palms turned upside for receiving, but you can hold any mudras if you want. Now don't complicate too much with your position as long as you're comfortable, and then close your eyes and start focusing on breathing in and breathing out. Try breathing with your belly as it is more beneficial, but again, don't think too much. It is totally fine if you're just breathing with your chest too, and beside that, I recommend to breathe just through your nose so you don't need to focus on opening mouth too. So clear your mind and focus. Meditate as long as you feel like, but remember that you don't have to do it for a whole day. You can meditate just 5 minutes, but you have to meditate every day, and that's the important part. No matter how long, important is just that every single day you put some time on your breathing, get your focus and clear your mind. That is about all I had to say. Do not overthink, it is basically just breathing, which you do it all the time anyway, but unconsciously. So this time you're just conscious of your breath. Thank you for watching. I hope you go through this year with clear mind, peacefully and happy. Live your best life and enjoy in this journey.